You're about to spend $10,000 on a piece of equipment that's supposed to last 15 years. One of these units is built like a tank in a factory in Texas, while the other is a budget label rebrand coming across the border. If you choose based on the sticker price alone, you might be buying a decade of service calls instead of a decade of comfort. Stick around because the difference between these two isn't just a few bucks, it's how often you're going to see a guy like me in your driveway. What's up? I'm the HVAC repair guy. I've spent over 17 years in this industry doing everything from crawling through hot attics as an installer to troubleshooting complex commercial systems as a contractor. Before I ever picked up a manifold gauge, I was a nuclear electrical operator in the Navy, so I don't look at these systems as just big boxes. I look at them as precision machinery where every component matters. Today, we're tearing down the premium labels on the American Standard Gold 17 and the WeatherMaker PA8TAN5 to see which one actually deserves a spot next to your house. Let's start with the American Standard Gold 17. This is a heavy hitter in the industry, essentially the same machine as the Train XL17i. The big standout here is the physical protection with true louvered panel construction that keeps hail, weed whackers, and stray basketballs off your coils. Under the hood, it's a 17.2 SEER system with a 2-stage compressor and a 2-speed condenser fan. But the real secret sauce is that spine fin coil, an all aluminum design much more resistant to corrosion than copper coils. Plus, American Standard still manufactures this unit in the USA and backs that compressor with a 12-year warranty. Now, look at the WeatherMaker PA8TAN5. On paper, it actually beats the American Standard on efficiency with an 18.5 SEER rating, but look closer at the cabinet and you're getting a thin wire grill instead of steel louvered panels. That leaves your expensive coils completely exposed to the elements and accidental damage. It's a 2-stage system, but our data shows it lacks the 2-speed condenser fan found in the Gold 17. So that fan runs wide open when the compressor throttles down. It's manufactured in Mexico to keep costs low, and it carries the standard 10-year compressor warranty. For a 3-ton installation, the American Standard Gold 17 usually ranges between $8,000 and $13,000. The WeatherMaker sits lower, typically between $6,500 and $10,000. You're saving a couple grand up front and getting a higher SEER rating, but you're trading away the heavy-duty protection of a louvered cabinet and that extra 2 years of compressor coverage. If you plan on moving in 2 years, that 18.5 SEER on the WeatherMaker sticker looks great for a home inspection. But if you're building a forever home, you have to look at the long term. Exposed coils on a wire grill unit are a magnet for damage and efficiency loss over time as those fins get flattened. Here is my final verdict. As a contractor who has seen thousands of these units in the field, I'm putting my money on the American Standard Gold 17. You get the 12-year compressor warranty, the spine fin coil, and the louvered panel construction that actually protects your investment. Don't step over $1 to pick up a dime. Buy the American Standard, get it installed by a pro, and sleep better knowing your coils aren't sitting behind a piece of chicken wire. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on hvac-for-beginners.com.